adjust your neck or something.
Why? What's wrong?
You're like gurgling.
I don't think it's me, Billy. I'm doing pretty good.
What?
I said, I don't think it's me. I'm doing pretty good here. I'm sitting straight and got everything I need right here in front of me. I do appreciate your concern, though. And if we can help you in any way in the future, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.
Really?
Hmm?
Cough.
Was that nice?
Mm-hmm.
Is that all you need?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, well, Eddie, thank you for your time and for being a customer. If I can help you in any way in the future, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, okay? Alright, thank you. Have a good Sunday. Have a good rest of your weekend.